Chambers. I am going to show you a short video on Windows file and folder permissions. Here we go. What is a file or folder? A folder is a location on a disk used for storing information about files. And a file is a document, pictures, music, etc. A directory is also known as a folder. File names. Files have names. File names in Windows can have up to 256 characters. But I'm going to recommend that you keep your file names short and not use the 256 character limit because that's just a disaster waiting to happen. Keep your file name short and to the point. You cannot use characters such as exclamation mark, @ symbol, money sign, %sign, plus, minus, equals, things of that nature. Now, also wanted to let you know the image on the left is a picture of file names for an image, and the image on the right is image file names for files like documents and web pages and PDF files. The other part of file names are the extensions. Yes, files have extensions. At the end of the file name is the extension, which indicates the file format of the file. Extensions are 3 characters long and are separated by a dot. See, the extension of the file name tells your operating system what program to use to open the file with. So if it has a .txt at the end, it's a text document, and your operating system will open a text editing program. If it's a .mov, it's a movie file. If it's a .drc, it's a Word document, and that file will only be able to be opened through Office Word. exe is an executable file, and ppt is a PowerPoint file. The image on the right has lots of file extensions. Please take time to go through and see what they are. Where are files and folders located? Well, they're located in volumes. And volumes are locations where you can store information. Examples of volumes are your hard drive, CD-ROM, DVD-ROM, flash drives, or networks. Volumes are named with drive letters and followed by a colon. C colon, D colon, H colon. The image on the right will show you the hard drive. That is the My Computer dialog box. That's showing you the local disk is the C drive. That would be your hard drive. A drive is the 3.5-inch floppy, and the D drive is the CD drive, CD-ROM drive. File sharing. File sharing is providing access to digitally stored information such as computer programs, multimedia, documents, and electronic books. File sharing can be shared from flash drives, networks, hyperlinks on documents, and peer-to-peer networking, also on drives, volumes on your computer. So, what are hidden files? Hidden files are files that are either hidden by the user or by the operating system itself. How to show hidden files? Well, you'll need to go and open the folder options dialog box, and you do that by going to the start button, then the control panel, then appearance and personalization, and then the folder options. Select the view tab. Under the advanced settings, click show hidden files and folders, then click OK. Shortly I will show you a demo on hidden files. Here's another slide for hidden files. This shows you, number 1, you need to click the View tab. Number 2, click Show Hidden Files and Folders. And number 3, click OK to apply the modification. Folder permissions. Folder permissions are options for files that are set by default. These options will vary depending on the operating system that you are using. They can be changed by the owner and the administrator of the computer. Basically, if you have a file on your computer that you want to share with another user on that same computer or within the network on a different computer, then you can set the permissions on the folder to allow the other user to only have certain permissions, certain things they can do with that file. Permissions, what? But see, these options are only available if file sharing is enabled. Some examples of permissions are full control. Full control allows users to move, open, create, change, delete, and share files. The change permission allows users to open, change, create, move, delete folders and files within that folder. And read only enables users to open the files and or folders, but users cannot change or delete files in those folders. So I'm going to explain to you how to set the permissions in XP, Vista, and Windows 7. How to hide or change file permissions in XP. You'll need to click Start, go to Computer, choose the folder that you want to set the permissions for, click Organize, then Folder and Search options. In the Folder Options dialog box, you can choose to hide or unhide files and folders, or you can also allow or deny permissions for users of those files and folders. Here are some screenshots of XP Permissions dialog box for properties. Permissions in Vista. How to change the permissions for files and folders. First of all, you need to locate the folder that you want to change. Right-click the folder, select Properties, select the Security tab, make sure the username you are wanting to change is highlighted, and change the permissions as you wish. Click Apply, then click OK. Here is another screenshot of Vista permissions. Shortly, I will show you a video demonstration on Vista permissions, setting them and showing you how they will affect other users on my computer. Permissions in Windows 7. How to change file permissions in Windows 7. Well, you'll need to log into the administrator account, locate the file or the folder. That would be to press the Start button, then Computer, then select the folder. You're going to right-click on the folder, choose Properties, select the Security tab, and then you're going to click on Users to add. Select the permissions for the users to have, click Apply, then click OK. Here are some more screenshots for permissions in Windows 7. I would also like to let you know that if you have any problems or need any further information about setting permissions for Windows, you can either Google the information by going to google.com and then typing in what you're looking for in the search box field, pressing search, or you can go to YouTube and watch many videos on how to set permissions. I hope you enjoy my demonstrations. Here they are. Thanks! Here is a short demonstration on how to show hidden files. In Windows Vista, you would go to the Start button on the taskbar at the bottom left, click Settings, go to Control Panel, go to Appearance and Personalization, select Folder Options, select the View tab. You would go to the Hidden Files and Folders section. Then you would click circle in for Show Hidden Files and Folders. Click Apply. Then click OK. Now you can see the hidden files and folders. Be very careful with them. Do not delete any folders or files that are by your operating system. You will have a super huge, big, bad problem that will most likely cost you money to have to fix. Please enjoy. Hello, my name is Linda Chambers. I am going to show you this short demonstration of Windows file permissions. I am actually logged into the administrator account here. So first of all, this is the file here that I am sharing. You right click and go to Properties. To share the file, first you would go to Sharing. You're going to click on Share. I'm already sharing it, but I'll just go ahead and click in here and show you. These are the people that I have added. So if you need to add someone else, then you would go here and you would add other people. You can create a new user here and so forth. So, okay. Let me go here to Security. To change the administrator, the rights, the permissions to the folder and the file, you would click on the group or username. This one's for employees. As you can see, I have them only set to be able to read and execute, list folder contents, and then read the file. They are not allowed to write to it, and they do not have full control or to be able to modify it. Managers, however, I gave them full control. They can modify, read, and execute, list folder contents, read to it, write to it, and that's the options that they have. So I'm going to show you, I can here in the administrator account open the file and I can say, hello, it's super hot outside, and then I can add I'm happy today. Okay, and then I can go File, Save, and then I can close it and close that. And I'm going to log in now into the manager's account and show you how to do that part, or show you how that works. Okay, now we are logged into the manager's account, as you can see here. So we are going to search for our file that we are sharing. It is in the Hello folder, and the file is called Me. Since we have full control of this file, we are allowed to open it and write to it, and we can delete it. So we're going to add hello world, comma, goodbye. So now we will save it, close the file, close our search box, and now I will log into our other account that is named Employees and show you the permissions that we have set for that account. Okay, we are now logged into the Employees account. We will search for the file. We will try to open it. And now we're going to try to add to it. And we're going to try to save it. Oh, but we can't save it because we don't have that permission to save the file. We can save it with a new name. So, just wanted to show you that having certain permissions for certain accounts only allows you to be able to do certain things with the files. Yes, you can view them. No, you cannot change them. You cannot delete them, and you cannot modify them.